Now here, as we created user story and we created initial repository here we added with respect to user story and we pushed those changes here. So you can see on the board, so this item should be linked with that user story. So creation of WPA project. This was the first one which we added it here, and you can see this desktop application what we pushed here is where it's got updated. So this user story we should ideally put it into the active region, and then what we have, this implementation has been started and the user has been completed this one. So for this specific user story which was under development, and here you can see this status graph as well, how it has been completed, like new then active, what we have done till now. And if you want, then once this got pushed also we can change it to the resolve as well. So this has been resolved, so this history will update it here again, this is got resolved. So this story gets life cycle. In some of the organization here, additional steps will be ready for release or sent for peer review. These additional steps also can be configured based on the how they want to configure for it. Now we have to create a team as well for this project. So go to this project setting and build your team. So project administrator, this is a project administrator by default which I have added the project, this project setting. And now we want to add a team members here. Teams, we have to go to the teams for adding the team members, and this is our HVAC dashboard as a team, and go inside this team. As of now only one member, and now we can add another member for it. So now I have, let's say, junior developer, one of the junior developer, junior dev magnificent at the rate gmail. So let's say this is what I have, one developer here with me, and I'll add him to the team. So once I have added to this team, he will get one of the email for joining this team, and he can join this team.